Hello, everybody, and welcome to my channel, Miss Callie and GA, the librarian in the know. Miss Callie and GA, Miss Callie and GA, the librarian in the know. So before we get started on today's video, I want to remind you to subscribe to my channel, watch my videos, like my videos, share my videos, talk about my videos, comment on the videos, turn on notifications and all that good stuff so you can stay in the know with me about all things that's going on in the Media Center, or the School Library Media Center as the official title. Today we're doing an episode 3 of What's in the Box. This is my January TitleEZ subscription box. So we shall see what's in here together. I love doing that. I just get so excited when I get a new box. That's why I love the subscription boxes. Yes, I already do my regular book orders, but on top of that, I always make sure I do a subscription box, just like it's Christmas every month. You get a new box. So let's see. I guess let's do it this way. We have the standard stuffing. And then usually I get about 5 books. So, oh my gosh, I was waiting for this book. Legend Born. I was really waiting for this book. This book is by TitleEZ, and it just looks like it's going to be so good. If there's time, I don't want to go past 4 minutes, but when the shadows rise, so will the light. When blood is shed, blood would... I don't know, the stickers over it. Let's see if I can read. Perfect for fans of Cassandra Clare and Kirsten White. TitleEZ's unique reimagining of the Arthurian legend is full of magic and heart. A brilliant debut. Ooh, so good twist on King Arthur. Then we have Blaze Wrath Games. Competing is her dream, so why does it feel like a punishment? We have Walk Toward the Rising Sun. From Child Soldier to Ambassador of Peace, a memoir by Jer Duany with Garen Thomas. I am so sorry if I said his name wrong. We have The Surprising Power of a Good Dumpling by Y. Chim. Y. Chim, I'm going to imagine. Here we go. Y. Chim will make you cry both happy and sad tears. Ooh. It's going to be another good one. And then, last but not least, The Social Media Revolution is my nonfiction. So these were my 5 titles for the month. That is my alarm going off. Oh, don't fall out the chair. You're about to have to call 911 on the video and say librarian down. The Social Media Revolution, The Surprising Power of a Dumpling, The Surprising Power of a Good Dumpling, Walk Toward the Rising Sun, Blaze Wrath Games, and last but not least, Legend Born. So that was in today's box. This is my January, once again, my Follett January TitleEZ subscription box. Thank you for joining me for another episode of What's in the Box with Miss Callie and GA, the librarian in the know. Okay, well, remember, if you want to stay in the know as well, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for coming. See you next time. Bye.